possible to stop throat clearing in just 6 weeks? Yes, you can, and here's my step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Adjust your diet. Cut acidic foods, caffeine, carbonation, and large portions. Eat smaller meals, especially at night. Step 2. Use an enhanced alginate like Reflux Wrap after meals and before bedtime to help block reflux. Step 3. If having heartburn and acid symptoms, consider short-term use of antacids and acid suppressors. Step 4. If symptoms persist, get a reflux workup. Talk to your team about a barium esophagram or even pH impedance testing. Want expert tips to help protect your throat and get at the root cause of the problem? Follow for more tips and advice.